Hi class, I noticed today that some of you all need a little bit of extra help when it comes to identifying numbers and whether they fit under the rational, integer, whole numbers, and natural numbers category. So I'm just going to kind of help you with that with this little diagram. So watch this quick video and this should help you with your activity sheet. Alright, so first of all, if I'm trying to figure out if the number 7 is a rational number, first I'm going to ask myself, is it a number that can be represented as a ratio where the denominator is not 0? Yes, it can. If I take 7, I know that 7 can equal the same thing as 7 over 1. So that means it is a rational number. So I can put it here. Now, let's keep going. Can it be an integer? Well, integers are whole positive and negative numbers and 0. Is 7 a whole positive number? Yes, it is. So I can go down to the next level. Can 7 be considered a whole number? Well, whole numbers are 0 and all positive whole numbers. Is 7 a whole number? Yes, it is. So I can most certainly go to the next level. Now, is 7 a natural number? Natural numbers are positive whole numbers not including 0. Yes. So the final resting place where I can put 7 is here. Keep in mind that 7 is a natural number, a whole number, an integer, and a rational number. It fits all these categories because it's right here in the center. Let's do another one. Let's say we have negative 54. Can negative 54 be represented as a fraction? Yes, it can, because negative 54 is the same thing as negative 54 over 1. So, if that's the case, then it is a rational number. Now, is negative 54 an integer? We know that integers are whole positive and negative numbers and 0. This is a negative whole number, so it's an integer too. Now, is it considered a whole number in the next category? Remember, whole numbers include 0 and positive whole numbers. Is this positive? No, it's not. So that means the furthest that this can go is going to be to the integer level. Keep in mind that negative 54 is both an integer and a rational number, but it is not a whole number and a natural number because it couldn't get that far down. Now let's do another one, last one. 11 over 7. Is it a rational number? Can it be represented as a fraction where the denominator is not 0? Well, this already is a fraction, and the denominator is not 0, it's 7, so it's a rational number. Now, can it be an integer? Remember, integers are whole numbers. Fractions are portions of a whole number, okay? That's just like me saying that this is a whole sheet of paper. If I cut it in half, then I don't have a whole, I have a half, okay? So now, going back to this, is this a whole number? No, it's not because it's a fraction. So that means that this can't go any further than just rational number. So this fraction is a rational number. Negative 54 is an integer and a rational number. And positive 7 is a natural, whole number, integer, and a rational number. So think about that as you're going through your activity. Okay? If we look at the number, first you need to prove that it's a rational number. Then you need to put an X in each category that it applies to. And use this video as kind of a reference to help you with that. I hope that this helps you with this activity and the other activities that you'll have in the future. As always, if you have any questions, please raise your hand and get my attention. Peace.